Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Discord theme darker. It is a new feature on their new update. So if you go to the user settings here and go to appearance, right now I think the normal color was ash. There is dark. It looks like darker, obviously, and then there's the even darker one, which is onyx. It just makes it real super dark. I actually prefer the gray. It is a little bit too dark for my eyes. Maybe it works better on the on the phone app, but it is a little bit too dark for me, and like my vision isn't the best, so I like it still on the normal ash one. But if you want to change it, you could absolutely can. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.